Alright, so if you are an online entrepreneur, online seller, or online service provider, then today I'm gonna share you a great tool which can really help to improve your way of receiving money from clients or from your customers. Because if you're working online, you're making money online, you're selling your products or you're selling your services to some clients, then receiving a payments from your customer and clients can be sometimes very difficult. So in that case, you must need a platform which can just instantly transfer all of your money in your bank account from anywhere in the world, so you can just experience a hassle-free way of getting payments from all over the world. So I'm talking about Transferwise, which is a great platform to receive and send money from anywhere in the world to anywhere in the world. You can just link your bank account from it, you can just link your PayPal from it, you can just receive the money from your clients in your Transferwise account by just giving them your email or giving them the bank account information of your Transferwise to your client, or you can just receive the money in your PayPal from your client and then convert that money from PayPal to your Transferwise and then directly from Transferwise to your bank account. So in this video, I'm going to show you the whole dashboard of Transferwise, and I'm going to show you step by step that how it works, how you can receive payment, how you can transfer payment from your Transferwise account to your bank account, and some other benefits of Transferwise that you must need. So if you also want your Transferwise account and you want to sign up for Transferwise, then you can sign up from the link in the description below, because if you sign up from that link today, then you will get a $50 bonus in your Transferwise account as a gift from Transferwise when you start receiving your money. So I 100% recommend you to download Transferwise, to sign up for Transferwise from the link in the description below. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, I was there and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on my computer screen and I just opened wise.com. So from here, I need to log into my Transferwise account. I have to click on login and then I have to type my email and password. And when I click on login, Transferwise will send me OTP code on my mobile device, which I have to enter here in order to log in. So it is for a security purpose. So I've just got my login code. So after entering login code, I have to click on done and then I will be able to see my Transferwise dashboard. So as you can see here, I'm on my Transferwise dashboard and I'm able to see all of my accounts here and all the money in my account. So you can see on the left bar, there are two accounts I am having. One account is British Pound account and other is US dollar account. And if you want to open your account in any of the currency in the world, so you can open. But as I'm doing working online, I'm having some clients in UK and USA, and I'm doing my e-commerce business in UK and USA. So I'm having these two accounts. So I can take the payments from my clients in these accounts. So if I click on GBP account, so you can see that I just got paid from PayPal into my GBP account 5 or 10 minutes ago. You can see that I've just got a payment of 219.8 for GBP here. So let me show you how you can receive payment, and then I will show you how I will withdraw this payment to my personal bank account for my monthly expenses. So if you want to receive the payment from your any client in the world and you want to get the payment in GBP, so while being in your UK account, you need to click on this your GBP account details. So when you click on this, a drop down menu will be open. Then you will be able to see the whole information of your bank account. So you can see that this is my name, account holder name. This is the sort code, this is the account number, this is the IBAN number, and this is the Wise address. So these are the 4 things that you need to give to your client so they can transfer the money in your Transferwise account from any of their account, because these are the 4 things that any banks need to receive money. So if you give this information to your client, so they will be able to send the money in your Transferwise account in just 5 minutes. So now let's see how you can withdraw money which your client gives in your Transferwise account to your personal bank account for your monthly expenses. So when your client will pay the money to your account, that money will be start showing here in this tab. You can see that in GBP account I am having almost 220 pounds. So you can see that on the left side in the recipient option, I have added my personal bank details as a recipient. So whenever I want to send money, send pounds into my bank account, I can just go in the recipient tab where I have added my personal bank account here. and I can just transfer money into that. And if I go on my pounds account again, so you can see that here is the history of all the payments that I've made in the past. You can see that on Monday 16th May of this month, I've just sent 242 pounds in my personal bank account. So if I click on this one, so you can see that this will show me my transaction. Like I have sent 242 pounds in the UK currency, and I have got 63,000 rupees in my country currency. So if I want to repeat that transfer from my pounds account to my personal bank account, I need to put the value here. You can see that I'm not having 242 pounds here in my account. That's why it's giving me error. So right now I'm having 219.84 pounds. 219.84 pounds. So you can see that the error has gone, and I can just repeat the transfer. So when I click on repeat the transfer, it brings me to the next screen, and here it will ask me for some of my information, like the reason of transferring this money. So the reason is like general monthly living expenses. So I have to click on that. Continue, and there it is saying me that if I send 220 pounds, then I will get this much money into my local currency bank account. So okay, that's good. So here I need to just type a line for the reference, like family 30 May, confirm and continue. And from there I need to click on your Wise account, because I want the money to transfer from my Wise account to my personal bank account. And then I click on finish and pay. So here you can see that the Transferwise is transferring the money from my Transferwise account, from the GBP, from the pound currency, to my personal bank account into my local currency, which is 54,796 rupees. So as you can see that the transfer is almost done now. So I will get the message from my bank into 5 or 10 minutes that that money is being received in my personal bank account. So that's easy how it is to receive the money in your Transferwise account from your clients anywhere in the world. And this will make your online business a lot more easier, and you can just send and receive money in hassle-free way, and all the sending and receiving process will not take more than 5 minutes. So as I said you, if you also want to join Transferwise, so you can join from the link in the description below, because you can see that here is the invite and earn 75 GBP button. Because if I invite you and you sign up from my given link, then you and me both will get 75 pounds bonus. So if you also want to earn free 75 pounds, or it will be like more than $100, then you must have to sign up from the link in the description below. So after you sign up for your Transferwise account, your life will be a lot more easier as an online entrepreneur. And there's one more good thing about Transferwise is when you just go back on your Transferwise dashboard and you click on this card button on the left side, so you can see that you can just create a visual card from here. Like you can see that I have already made a digital card. So if I click on show details now here, so it will reveal me the detail of my card. So I can use that card to purchase any of this stuff online anywhere in the world. If I want to purchase any book, I want to purchase any software or any product, so I can use that card, that Transferwise card, to purchase anything in the world, and that will deduct the money from my Transferwise balance. So I think this is a super cool way which no company provides you. So I 100% recommend you to install the Transferwise today and make your life a lot more easier. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and this video helps you a lot. So if you really learned something great in this video, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more content like this in the future. And if you want to ask any question from me regarding your online business, regarding your e-commerce business, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.